friends, welcome to my channel Ageless Learning. So today we will be learning about how to convert a PDF file into Word and vice versa. So converting a Word file into PDF is pretty easy, but today we will also be learning about converting PDF into Word file. So let's start with converting the Word file into PDF file, and for that I will select a Word file. .docs is the Word file format. I will open this up, maximize it. So this is my Word file here and I want to convert it into PDF. For that I will go to the file options here and save it as. When I will do this, this prompt will open up and it will be asking me about the file formats. So there are numerous file format options available here and I will have to select PDF because I want to convert it into PDF. Then the location where I want to save it. So let's say desktop and save as. If you want to rename it, you can rename it. Otherwise, you can also select the name which was earlier here. So I will export it. And let's see if the PDF file format has been created or not. I will minimize this up, and here the PDF documents are stacked. So this paper star PDF is our file which we have converted into PDF. So it has been converted into PDF, which was very easy task. Let's move on towards the next part, which is converting a PDF file into Word file. And for that, first of all, I will open my PDF file to show you how does it look. So this is my PDF file and you can see how does this look like. Now I will minimize this and open MS Word. So this is my MS Word here, and from here in this panel I will go to open on my Mac. I will have to go to the location where my PDF file is located. This is my PDF file and it is converted into Word, and now see, this is the converted file. So you will see minute discrepancies here, like this here or here, but still it is almost same as that of the PDF file. And now you can edit it as well. For example, if I want to edit here, see, I have done that. So I can edit anything here, and this is now Word file. And after doing the correction or whatever I want to do the changes, I can simply save it as Word document. Again, we have this plethora of file formats so that we can save it. And I will save it as Word document here, and it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with a new topic. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye.